Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of acute appendicitis. You can see the area of scanning is the right iliac fossa and ascending colon is focused and it is traced downwards up to the cecum. And now you can see the cecum. It is generally accepted that the main etiology of appendicitis is the obstruction due to fecalith in adults and lymphoid hyperplasia in children. Now you can see the cecum, and now you will find and see the inflamed appendix. When you sweep the probe in the surrounding area, you can focus. This is the vertical view of the inflamed appendix. It is accepted that perforated gangrenous appendicitis is associated with an obstructed appendicitis secondary to the presence of fecalith. Again, you will see the vertical view. The most usual sign of acute appendicitis on ultrasonography is an outer appendiceal diameter of 6 mm or greater on cross section. Depending on the technique used, the diagnostic accuracy of the CT scan is acute appendicitis ranges from 93% to 98%. Sometimes stools can get stuck in the appendix, which is shaped like a tube with one closed end, like a balloon that has been tied off. There is no way for what's trapped inside to escape. The pressure builds as the appendix continues producing its normal secretions. Infection is one of the most common causes of appendicitis. A viral or bacterial infection causes the appendix to swell and fill with pus. The inflammation blocks blood flow to the appendix, which then starts to die. At this point, the appendix can develop holes or tears or may even burst if it is not treated. Now you can see the whole length of the inflamed appendix. No significant blood flow is visible. Appendicitis can be acute or chronic. In acute case of appendicitis, the symptoms tend to be severe and develop suddenly. In chronic cases, the symptoms may be milder and may come and go over several weeks, months, or even years. Appendicitis symptoms may last between 36 to 72 hours before the appendix ruptures. However, you can avoid a rupture if appendicitis is treated right away. The key is to be aware of the symptoms of appendicitis. If you develop them, seek medical attention immediately. The most of the symptoms of the appendicitis are sudden, sharp pain that starts on the right side of the lower abdomen. It may start near the belly button and then move lower in the lower abdomen in the right iliac fossa. The pain may feel like a cramp at first, and it may get worsen if you cough, sneeze, or move. Now the symptoms of the acute appendicitis are pain in the right lower belly or pain near the belly button that moves lower. That is usually the first sign. Loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting soon after belly pain starts, swollen belly, fever of 99 to 102 degrees, and the patient cannot pass sometimes gas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. You can find some important information in the description of this video.